Material pedigree is one of the first things critical buyers verify in forging supply chains. It is not a paperwork formality. It is proof that the material used in the final component is exactly the material that was specified, tested, processed, and approved. Buyers validate pedigree from heat, batch, and lot integrity. They check mill source, material grade, heat number, MTC linkage, inward inspection, stock segregation, and part marking. This is done physically on the shop floor and digitally through records. If the identity of the material becomes unclear at any stage, the component becomes difficult to qualify. The next check is process linkage. Auditors trace the same heat from raw stock into forging, heat treatment, machining, inspection, testing, and final dispatch. Heat treatment charts, mechanical test reports, PMI records, NDT reports, and dimensional inspection reports must connect to the correct batch. Pedigree often fails in capable facilities because materials move in parallel. Small batches are processed together. Part marking is lost during machining, or documentation depends on manual reconstruction. Buyers treat these gaps as systemic risk, not administrative mistakes. For critical applications, pedigree must survive changeovers, machining, outsourcing, and long record retention periods. The best forging supplier does not just make a compliant part. It preserves material identity from receipt to release, so the component can be defended in qualification, audit, and failure investigation. This is why critical buyers prefer suppliers that connect engineering, material control, special processes, machining, inspection, and documentation inside one accountable system. The stronger the control, the lower the qualification risk.